Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin rights? Once ready, press the Windows key +I to open Settings. You'll go straight to Update and Security because that's where notifications originate. Make sure you're on the Windows Update page and note any pending updates listed. If an update is downloading or installing, pause it first so you can change notification behavior. Otherwise, changes may not apply. You're starting the process now to disable or hide the update alert without interrupting critical installs. Once on Windows Update, click Pause Updates for 7 days to stop immediate behavior. This gives you a safe window. Then select Advanced Options and toggle off Get Notifications or any Restart-related notification toggles, because those controls stop the pop-ups. Make sure to also review active hours and restart settings so Windows won't insist on a reboot. Changing these reduces urgent reminders. If you prefer hiding a specific update, you'll use the Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter next. To remove a persistent update notification, download and run the Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter and select the update to hide. This prevents Windows from reoffering it. After applying changes, restart the PC and confirm notifications are gone. If a notification still appears, check Group Policy, GPedit, MSC, or the Registry for Notification Settings, only if you're comfortable editing them. Key troubleshooting tip. If hiding an update breaks functionality, unhide it and install the update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.